Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1970 Chevelle LS5. It's finished in black with a black interior. Absolutely beautiful. LS5 under the hood. We do have the original motor that goes with it. The numbers matching motor. Complete body off restored. I think about 200 miles on the restoration on the car. Absolutely fantastic and very, very correct. Just done last year. Absolutely everything works in the car. Sitting on polys, as you can see, those are reproductions. I'm sure you notice the Cowl Induction hood. T3 headlights. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Has all the right markings, tags, stickers under the hood. Beautiful straight body. Although the restoration was just done, the paint is actually about 20 years old on this car. Looks like it was just done. Correct oval tips. Beautiful fit and finish of the panels. Very high quality restoration. There she is, LS5 454, 360 horse, all the right clamps, manifold, hoses, very correct build. As you can see, it's literally like brand new. It's got an M22 rock crusher in it. It's got M21 internal, so you don't get that whine. 355 Posi rear. Absolutely awesome. Right down to the GM manifolds. A little dusty. Car is new. Front seat. That's as nice as it gets to you. All these rubber seals, gaskets, I mean everything. Sorry about the sun, it's just washing everything out. All the correct seat belts in here. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.